Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access sales statistics in the dashboard of Meditrack, the pharmacy module. To access the dashboard, you go to pharmacy, click on dashboard, and here you see the dashboard that gives you graphic statistics of sales in pharmacy. If you click on summary, you see a graphic representation. If you click on monthly sales, you see a graph. If you click on monthly sales, you see another graph. If you click on say best-selling products, you see another graph. When you click on each graph, it drills down to the year, to the month. You click on each month, it drills down to the different weeks of the month. You click on the different weeks and it drills down to the different days of the month. And that is how you access the dashboard with different sales statistics in the pharmacy module of Meditrack. Thank you.